I have found the MVP for grooming. I have 6 dogs, and this guy takes the cake. It cuts grooming time in half, has so many different attachments that easily connect and take apart. I use this on my Doodle, my Poodle, and our Cairn Terrier. You can see the brush nicely combs through the hair, and then it is sucked up into the vise with the press of a button. I am in love with this device. I cannot wait to use it on all of the dogs to groom. I will drop the link below so you can grab yours in the TikTok shop today.